In this Parliament and in the European Commission and Council, they like to spin a big lie about Ireland. They say that Ireland is the good pupil of austerity in Europe, that austerity is being imposed, that it's working, and that people accept it. They don't mention the mass unemployment, the emigration on levels not seen since the famine. They don't mention the devastation of the economy. They also don't mention the mass non-payment of the household tax that made that tax unimplementable last year. Instead, they spin this lie because they try to use Ireland as a stick to beat the people of Greece, of Spain, and of Portugal with. This Saturday, we have an opportunity to expose that propaganda. All of the Ministers of Finance from across Europe will be in Ireland in Dublin Castle. These are the people responsible for austerity across Europe. The likes of Wolfgang Schäuble from Germany, the Greek Finance Minister, the Portuguese Finance Minister. They must be sent a loud message against austerity and against the property tax. Enda Kenny, Eamon Gilmore and the government are destroying people's lives and the economy with austerity. A crucial part of that austerity agenda is the property tax. They've handed over collection to the revenue commissioners in order to use the only tactics that they know: bullying, scaremongering, fear. They want to create the impression that the revenue commissioners are all-powerful, that they cannot be defeated. They want to create the impression that the property tax will be taken from people's wages, social welfare or pensions, and there's nothing that you can do about it. That's all a lie. People have massive power here. There is nothing automatic, there's nothing inevitable about deductions from wages or social welfare payments or pensions. Revenue simply do what they're told by the government. Deciding to deduct from people's wages will be a political decision made by the government later this year. But let's look at the government. In particular, let's look at the weak link of this government, the Labour Party. They're in disarray. They were smashed in the Meath East by-election. They're on 7% in a recent opinion poll. Through a mass campaign, people have the power to break Labour's will, to implement this tax and deduct it from people's wages. It's 100 years since the working class of Dublin fought an historic battle against an onslaught against their basic rights. Saturday can be the start of a major movement to force austerity back. Don't stay at home, stewing in your own anger. Get out and express it. 12:30 at Parnell Square.